Okay, for our question of the day today, we're going to do a stoichiometry problem. So we've done one of these in our notes. We're going to keep working through. So the first thing we need for stoichiometry is a balanced equation. So I'm going to go ahead and balance my oxygen, and then I need to go back and balance my hydrogen. So I've got a balanced equation. And now my question asked, how many grams of water are produced when 0.34 moles of oxygen react? So my given value is the 0.34 mole. So I'm going to write that under my oxygen. And I am looking to find grams of water. So my conversion factor, my mole ratio, needs to be between these two parts. So one of the conversion factors I'm going to use is 1 mole of O2 is equal to 2 moles of water. This is one of the conversion factors we created yesterday. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my problem. So I'm going to start by writing down what I know, the 0.34 moles of O2. And remember, you guys, moles is that bridge. So when I'm already at moles, I'm ready to use my mole ratio. So I don't need to convert out of grams or out of liters because I'm already in moles. So this actually makes my problem shorter. So I'm going to go my 1 mole of O2. I chose to put that on the bottom because now my moles of O2 cancels my moles of O2. And I have to use the other part of my mole ratio on top. That's my 2 moles of H2O. Now I want it to be in grams of H2O. Oops, sorry, that's a multiply, not an equal. And so I need to know, how do I get from moles to mass? And you guys know that's my molar mass. So 2 hydrogen is going to be 2.016. And 1 oxygen is 16. So that is 18.016 grams per mole. So when I put that in as a conversion factor, I have the 1 mole of H2O on the bottom and the 18.016 grams of H2O on the top. So when I put this in my calculator, I'm going to multiply the top, 0.34 times 2 divided by 1 times 18.016 divided by 1. And to 2 significant figures, my answer is 12 grams of H2O.